really good source of magnesium, niacin, vitamin A and C, and also it's rich in fiber, and it's also good for your health, and it's also, they said it's good for weight loss. So that's very interesting. So I would really recommend Pattypan. I think I said it Pattypan. Yeah, it's like a tongue twister. It's not a patty you're going to patty. Anyways, it's called also a scallop squash, as I said. So there's lots of squash in here, scallop squash. It's like 17 of them. But I can show you what are they look like. So just for one plant here, it's 17 and more growing. So I really suggest you grow this in your garden. And it's really delicious, and you can cook it with. So I grow my Pattypan in this area, 2 Pattypans. But it's so crowded. There's celery, there's corn, there's tomatoes. There are my herbs areas in here. So they planted at the same time, but I can see that I have like how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 here for 2 plants. So 4 Pattypans growing, and there's one there ready. Ready to harvest. I will harvest it with you guys as well and show you a quick recipe for this pattypan. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm gonna harvest my pattypan as well. I'll show you how big is it closer. So this is what pattypan looks like, or scallop squash. See, it's like a scallop shape. And here, and I'm gonna show you a recipe how to make this pattypans. It's hard to say, but I'm just gonna say it's like scallop squash or a flying saucer. It's also like described as flying saucer. Yes, it's so pretty, and it smells good. I'm gonna harvest more. I'll show you. So this is how much I got pattypans in my garden. This one, and this big one, and this. I'm so excited to try this in my kitchen. And let's go. Let's start cooking. So I'm deciding to do some baking of this pattypans or scallop squash with tomatoes and onions and ground pork. But first, I want to cook the ground pork with garlic and onion and put it in a pan in here after. So I already started my pan with oil. So I'm just gonna like chop the garlic onion and then put it in a pan and then saute the ground pork and cut all the other ingredients and put it in the oven under 400 degrees. So this kind of my own recipe, so it's my first time to cook it, and then I'll see how this will go well. And this is my new invention of recipe. until it's golden brown. So now I will add my ground pork. Just like that. I like it to making sure that the meat is properly cooked. So the oven is ready. As you hear, it's already. So I'll just add some peppers. And pinch of salt. And yeah, just cook like that. So when I'm cooking, I like multitasking. So while this like staying in a low temperature, low heat, I would like to pat my vegetables because ground pork is just easy to cook. It's just like put like that, and then after 5 minutes when I'm done cutting, probably need to flip. So I'll put it in low. There. Did it record? So the ground pork is almost done. So we're gonna transfer it in baking pan and bake the patty pan